Hey friends, welcome back to Putting Up the Pompons. We are a mother-daughter YouTube channel where we showcase and discuss everything about our natural hair, from the way we style and care, as well as giving you hairstyle inspiration that is quick and easy to achieve with minimum effort. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications to catch our weekly videos every Saturday and Sunday. To all of my returning subscribers, hey mama, hey bestie, hey friend, it's nice to see you once again. Let's get into today's video. So I mentioned on yesterday's video that I've been super busy, so I did a silent tutorial where I didn't really talk much about, what I'm doing or how I'm doing it, but a lot of my styles are self-explanatory, and this video will also be a silent video. I've been super busy with the girls getting back into their school routine, as well as work has picked up for me, so hopefully next week we will be back with our regular voiceovers and our innovative and trendy hairstyle. So in this video I have Callista showing off her 3 hairstyles for the week during her back to school week. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to leave a comment down below.